In today's session, we will understand the reorder point formula and its importance in inventory management. This concept helps businesses maintain the right level of stock and avoid running out of products. Whether you are a student or a business owner, mastering this concept can significantly improve operational efficiency. Reorder point is the specific inventory level at which a business should place a new order. It acts as a trigger point to ensure that stock is replenished before it runs out, helping businesses maintain continuity and avoid disruptions. Understanding the reorder point is crucial because it directly impacts customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. If you reorder too late, you risk losing sales. If you reorder too early, you increase holding costs. The right balance is essential. The reorder point is calculated using three main components: daily demand, lead time, and safety stock. Each of these plays a critical role in determining when you should place your next order. The formula for reorder point is simple but powerful. You multiply daily demand by lead time and then add safety stock. This ensures that you have enough inventory to cover demand during the waiting period for new stock. Daily demand represents how much of a product you sell on average each day. It is usually calculated using historical sales data. Accurate demand estimation is key to effective inventory management. Lead time is the duration between placing an order and receiving it. It includes processing, shipping, and delivery time. Longer lead times require higher reorder points to avoid stockouts. Safety stock acts as a cushion against uncertainties like sudden demand spikes or supplier delays. It ensures that your business can continue operating even when things don't go as planned. Let's understand with an example. If your daily demand is 50 units and lead time is 4 days, you need 200 units during that period. Adding safety stock of 100 units gives a reorder point of 300 units. You should place a new order as soon as your inventory reaches the reorder point. Waiting until stock is finished can lead to delays and lost sales. Timely action is the key, as many businesses make mistakes like ignoring safety stock or using outdated data. These errors can lead to either stockouts or excessive inventory, both of which impact profitability. If this video added value to your learning, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with people who needs it.